Hazrat Ali did these things and we accept them, but ask us why he did them. Your situation has turned into the questions in old Turkish movies. You stand up and say, I did it, but why did I do it? Why did Hazrat Ali do it? Ask me that now. Let me ask you. Now, Hazrat Ali was afraid of them. He was afraid of them. He had no power at that time. That's why Hazrat Ali handled it like this. Are you of this mind? Yes, I am. Well, there's an answer for you. Allowing the possibility of takiyye, who are you accepting this about? About the Lion of Allah. You're saying about the Lion of Allah that he might get scared and commit such and such hypocrisy. Are you saying that we should not rule out this possibility? What is this? It is the limit of your intellect. I mean, you are such a mindless and illogical man that you can see this as a possibility. Because a healthy mind, if your mind is healthy, if there is no defect in your understanding, such a mind hides hatred and dislike for the three caliphs about the Lion of Allah, and not as a result of a 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 5 day anger about 30 years give or take. What will Hazrat Ali do for 30 years? The Lion of Allah will hide his hatred and grudge against the three caliphs. What won't the mind do? It does not see it possible. What? Hazrat Ali's hatred for the three caliphs? In contrast to this hatred, a declaration of love and sincerity, a demonstration and living together during the reign of the three caliphs with them. Hypocrisy, the mind cannot allow this. Never. Absolutely. If a man is not out of his mind, he will not say that the Lion of Allah handled them for 30 years. And he laughed in their faces and hid hatred inside. So this is a sign of hypocrisy. If the Lion of Allah sees any wrongdoing of them, he will say it openly, and he has the right to say, I don't agree with you. Why did he not do this? He was afraid. He hid it. He was hypocritical. About whom do you say he was a hypocrite? Such hypocrisy, dishonesty is unthinkable today, even from a person with the weakest faith and sincerity who says he is a Muslim. How can it be attributed to the Lion of Allah? Then we need to think well. It is necessary to use the mind. You need to think well about the evil and the wickedness of this belief, this action. When you accept this, you are attributing a great weakness, a great laxity, and a very ugly deceitfulness and hypocrisy to a person like Hazrat Ali, the Lion of Allah. This is what requires